Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to help you to determine the Lewis structure of SiBr₄. It's a chemical formula of silicon tetrabromide, and for that, let us count the total number of valence electrons. We have one silicon atom having 4 valence electrons and 4 bromine atoms that has 7 valence electrons. And if we count this up, we will get a total of 32 valence electrons. Now for the arrangement of atoms, we will put silicon in the center and arrange bromine atoms around it somewhat like this. And to show a bond between them, we will place pair of electrons. Now as you can see, silicon atom has completed its outer shell, but each bromine atom needs about 6 more electrons for completing its octet. So we'll assign 6 to each bromine atom. So let us go ahead and do that. Doing that, we have used all our valence electrons and each atom in this Lewis structure has complete outer shell in zero formal charge. So this is the final Lewis structure of SiBr₄, and for more such videos make sure to subscribe our channel and thank you for watching.